Okay, so this is the Connect compensation plan simplified. So the distribution of node cells goes into 50% goes into the blockchain projects. So it helps them develop them, and helps the coin value grow as well, and helps the projects reach their milestone. Say, for example, the money goes towards Element in terms of buying more land where gold is stored, money for the game as well, the game development. That's going to be an app, and people can buy NFTs and earn Element coins. But obviously, as a node holder, you'll gain the coins passively, irrespectively if you play the game or not. So that's 50% gone there. So the other 50% goes into the commission plan. So here we have transaction rewards 10%, confirmation rewards 10%, block rewards 20%, node support rewards 60%. So you're thinking, okay, what's all this jargon, and why is it like this? So our commission is decentralized, guys. Everything is a smart contract. So the company can't withhold the payments. There can't be any delays in payments. Everything works through the Ethereum blockchain for now, but it will move into a more efficient, gas efficient exchange. So everything is transparent. Everything is in your control. Whatever you put in, you will get rewarded accordingly, which is a completely fair system, unlike other operations that exist in the world at the moment. So we're really, really excited about something so transparent and in our control as this. Okay, let's go through what the jargon means. So in simple terms, 10% of all sales, commissions, commissionable sales, whether it be nodes or smart nodes, you earn at level 1. So every sale that you do, you earn 10% of the commissionable sales. To qualify for this level 1, you need to have $100 starter pack, 100 nodes, or 1 smart node. Simple as that, really. But most people, when they come on board, they'll just get a full node, and then you qualify for level 1. Every person that you bring in that purchases a node or a smart node, you get 10%. Simple as that. And that's called a transaction reward. Okay, so the second one is called confirmation rewards. So let's say, for example, you bring in person A. Person A brings in person C. They buy a smart node. You get 10% of that. And so you get 10% at level 2 of all sales commissions. To qualify for that, you need to be something called a block bot, which is have 100 nodes or 1 smart node, and that makes you a block bot. So you're eligible now to earn 10% of all commissions at level 2, which is bought on by indirects. Very straightforward. So if you want to qualify for the max comp plan, which is the win node, it's very simple. You need to have 100 nodes yourself, or a full smart node, and do 5 smart node sales in any combination at level 1 to qualify for a win node. And that puts you on the full comp plan. But I know that there's a thing that Stephen mentioned about that, even if you don't have a node yourself or anything like that, and you do enough sales, you can qualify to be a win node. There's some points and stuff which can be done, which they'll bring out later, which is pretty cool. So as a win node, you qualify for the max comp plan, including the win pool and the block rewards. So the block rewards are very simple. So the first time you qualify as a win node, you get 10% of the 5 smart nodes as a one-off. So to remember, to become a win node, you need to make 5 smart node sales in any combination at level 1. You get 10% of those 5 smart nodes. Okay. And then let's say, for example, someone there in your downline G becomes a win node. They get 10% as a one-off. And then that 10% goes to you, being the next win node up. It's very, very simple. Okay. So every 5 nodes that get sold within an organization, the person who does the direct sales get 10%, and it goes up to the win node above it, should it be you. So pool rewards, now this is where things get very exciting. And this is where things get very, very lucrative. Okay. So this is where you know, the Connect is building the world's biggest blockchain, and you get rewarded from the whole sales of Connect. So 25% of node support rewards are distributed equally to all active Win nodes. Okay, so if you're a Win node, and it's very simple, you know, just do 5 cells of 5 smart nodes, you become a Win node, you earn 25% of the pool rewards. Okay, so the pool rewards, if we go over here, is 60% of the commissionable cells, which is huge, which is a large chunk. Okay, so 25% is distributed evenly to all the active Win nodes, and the 75% is then split amongst according to people's win score. So, you know, the more you help your team, the more nodes your team purchases, the bigger your team is, you get these win points, and this win points categorizes you on a league table, just like the Premier League table. But imagine a Premier League table with, you know, 5,000 teams, 50,000 teams, and obviously the more you win, the more computing power your entire organization provides with your nodes, the bigger slice of your pie. Okay, but how does a smart contract work? It uses an algorithm. Okay, you don't have to memorize this. You don't have to use this. This is just an example of what the smart contract does, which is good. So it does all the thinking for you and does that. So every time you earn $100 of BTC value, you get a blockchain point. Every time your friend does that, you get 1 point as well. So, you know, it takes this algorithm and it works everything for you. So basically, in layman's terms, the more you build, the more computing power your team does overall, the higher you'll rank. Okay, so so these qualified Win nodes gain additional benefit from the point of win action points. These are awarded each time Union Network complete various tasks on the Win blockchain. So, so these are the different pools. Obviously, you know, the higher you rank in that league table, the bigger pool you qualify. Now, let me tell you that this is where the big money lies in these pools. Okay, so this is putting together the whole amount of sales, guys, that's done in Connect. Okay, the whole amount of sales. So as a blockbot, you learn 5%, and this is distributed amongst all blockbots. If you're top 50%, so top 50,000, you'll qualify for 5% of the allocated node rewards plus 20% more. So if you're top 5,000, you'll get this pool bonus. That's 25% divided by 5,000, and these two pools as well. If you're in top 500, you get 25% divided by 500 plus these as well. And if you're top 50 of the league table, you get 25% divided by 50, which is a huge amount, plus all these pool bonuses there, guys. And you get this paid on the 20th of every month. And this is big, big money. This tells you how you can calculate your win score. Obviously, the win memory works on most recent actions. So it's for people who are actively helping their team, supporting their team. And then, you know, it goes down obviously for all time. You don't have to worry about this algorithm. The Win node smart contract calculates everything for you. We just wanted to, for the technical people, they want to know how everything works. This is how the system works. It's payment timeframes, confirmation, which is the first 10% at level 1, transaction, which is 10% at level 2 in block rewards. It's a 10% from every 5 smart nodes sold as a one-off, and the 10% that goes to the Win node are paid daily with a lag time of 20 days after a node sell or a smart node sell. Okay. Smart node support rewards are accumulated over 30 days and paid at the 20th of every month. This March the 20th, we're going to get paid the pool bonuses accumulated, and we're very excited about March the 20th. All rewards are paid in Ethereum at the time of sale of value. So, you know, if Ethereum was worth $5,000 at the time of the sale, you'll get the Ethereum exact amount of Ethereum, not according to what the value of Ethereum is right now. okay, which is fair. Everything on the Wind blockchain works through the blockchain, so it's transparent and most importantly, in your control. There is something called a Pioneer qualification. Don't want to confuse everyone too much, but this program is made up of the top 2,525 blocks, been reserved for those who take actions. So if you're an online marketer or a big influencer, and you happen to have 100 Blockboard bundle sales frontline, or you sell 500 smart node cells, you get a place in front of the Wind blockchain, and it's quite a lucrative position there. And this is limited to each country, has a limited Pioneer spot. So if you want to be positioned there, then you can as well. So they'll reward you according to how much work you put in. So that's the comp plan, guys. It's very, very lucrative. And like I said before, you want to make sure in the top 500, top 50, so you can benefit not only from the sales of your entire organization, but the whole of Connect, which I think is very huge, very lucrative. So thank you very much for your time.